Mabuhay! This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. It's almost 12 o'clock midnight. Just a reminder, especially to those employees, last January 1, 2024, pagpasok yun sa bagong tuig, ang increase sa deduction sa PhilHealth was 5%. Then, pati ang pag-ibig, from 100 deductions, each person, so nagiging 200 pesos na. But effective March 6, na po'y good news sa mga employees na ay additional salary increase of 19 pesos per day. This is intended for minimum wage earner. So 19 pesos ang increase niya March 6. So from 443 nagiging 462. Then the next one, we will have an increase, salary increase on September 1, which is 19 pesos also. So from 462, magiging 481 pesos na ang salary diri sa Region 11 sa Davao City. So far, that is an update. So, thank you everyone. Thank you to all my friends and followers. Continue to follow me and subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless everyone.